I'm going to open these. You want to know what these are? Okay, let's open these up. Teeth in. What we got here? What you got there? You grab hold of the packet then. Come on then. Get hold of the packet and I'll pull the paper. Oh, look at that. Felix goodie bag. Who's got a Felix goodie bag? That's from Auntie Miranda. Isn't it? What we got from Jodie? We're going to open that one as well. That one might be a bit easier. I'm going to get the top of the packet. Try and get it undone with one hand. Oh, I see a top of the packet here. Oh, that looks like cheeses. What we got then? Yeah, look. Jasper. Packet. Packet. Grab out the packet then. Go and get the packet. No, not the paper. No, you don't want the paper. Jasper, let go of the paper. That's a good boy. Yeah, make sure you've got no paper in there. Yeah, grab up. Grab. Put your teeth in. Teeth. Teeth. Put your teeth in. Put your teeth. Grab. There you go. Good boy. That's my Auntie Jo there. Yeah, good boy. Ow! There you go. How many biscuits and choo-choos do you want? There you go, good boy. Good boy. Happy Christmas. Ouch! Oh, oh, oh. Get your claw out. Ow! Happy Christmas. Thank you.